National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for City of Lynchburg in Central Virginia, Northern Campbell County in Central Virginia, Eastern Bedford County in South Central Virginia, Southern Amherst County in Central Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Lynchburg Airport or near Arlington, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Rustburg, Bocock. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. When it is safe to do so, please relay your severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-800